Hi guys, so I filmed the following YouTube video a couple of weeks ago, and before I could manage to edit and upload it, I had a bit of a surprise early arrival. So you might be able to hear him squeaking because he's asleep next to me. But that's right, I did have my little baby. He's a little boy. He was 12 days early, which was a bit of a surprise. He came on the 12th of August. We're both doing really well. I'm tired and I decided to do this bit of the video with no makeup on because this is real life. This is the newborn bubble. But we had a really beautiful birth, and I actually am sort of thinking about uploading a birth story to my personal YouTube channel, which doesn't exist yet, but I'm thinking about making one, just because I had a vaginal birth after cesarean, which was something that was very important to me, and I found watching other people's YouTube videos on their birth stories to be really helpful for me. So if you're interested in hearing about my birth story with my little boy, I might post something on another channel, and if I do, I will let you know on this channel too. So the following video, like I said, I filmed it a couple of weeks ago now. My little boy is now 10 days old and I'm feeling okay enough to start getting back into YouTube. But the following video I filmed a couple of weeks ago, and it sort of is explaining my future plans for the baby blanket knit along that I have been doing, but I took a bit of a break, and an explanation as to why that is. With the new little boy coming a bit early, it may be a little bit longer, but rest assured I will still be posting knit along patterns on my blog. Hi guys, it's Kat here again from Knit Kat Paddywhack. If you've seen any of my new videos recently, you'll know that I've been posting knit along tutorials for a baby blanket. I'm actually making my own version of this blanket for my own baby who is due later this month. I can't believe it. As you might have noticed, I haven't been posting these tutorials very consistently. I'm disappointed to say that I've been having a hard time keeping up with filming and editing these videos. Life for me is pretty hectic right now with a toddler, a new baby on the way, and I am still working. So unfortunately for this reason, I've decided that I do need to cut back on my YouTube channel until the baby is here and I've settled into having 2 kids and what that's like. But I will still be posting the free knit along patterns on my blog, knitkatpaddywhack.com. So you can continue to follow along with this knit along. But I won't be posting a video tutorial for every blanket block like I have been so far. So you won't miss out on the patterns or any of the useful information. I'll put that all in the blog posts, but it just does mean that there won't be a video to go along with every knit along section. If you have been following along with my knit along blanket, please go onto my blog, knitkatpaddywhack.com, and there you can find all of the patterns. You can even sign up to an email list to get an email every time I post a new blog post, and you can find the patterns on Ravelry as well, and feel free to add me as a friend. I'm Knit Kat Paddywhack on there as well. Thank you all for your support so far, and if you are the praying kind, I would really appreciate it if you would pray for myself and for this baby as the baby's birth approaches. I'm hoping to start posting more knitting videos again once everything has settled down for me. I have filmed quite a few, I just haven't edited them yet, so keep an eye out for those videos. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss any, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, because then you'll get a notification when my videos start coming back up again. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. Bye.